If you are on the hunt for an automatic litter box but have large cats, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to quickly go over the differences of these 3 litter boxes that I consider to be the best boxes for large cats. Now, I was gifted all 3 of these boxes at some point over the past year, and each of these boxes has been tested in my household with my cats for at least a month. Let's dive in. Now, the boxes we have here are the Neakasa M1, which is an open-faced box, very simple in style with its app. Everything about this box is more simple, but is an exceptionally inviting box for large cats thanks to that open top design. The most advanced box I have here is the PetKit Purobot Max Pro. This box not only has fancy deodorizers, a very nice app, and a built-in AI camera, but it also has an exceptionally inviting drum for larger kitties. This is the same style box as the PetKit Purobot Max, so if you don't need the fancy bells and whistles, you can get this at a lower price point. And I personally did my research and purchased a PetKit Purobot Max about 18 months ago because at that time it was recommended as the best litter box for large kitties. And to this day, my large ragdoll will only use the Purobot Max and the Purobot Max Pro. And then finally, we have the brand new homerunPET CS106. If you have extra large cats, say 18 pounds or larger, this is the box for you. It has the largest drum on the market for litter boxes. It has an automatic litter refill, and it has one of the largest trash bins as well. So this is a box that you truly can set and forget, and is very, very inviting for large kitties. Now, I have in-depth videos on each of these boxes individually, but I will give you the quick features and pros and cons of each box. Now, I know many who swear by the Neakasa M1. You can get this in the dark color. They recently released a white version as well. It's a really nice, simple box. Very open and inviting, and the dirty litter catch underneath actually does have a top that stays closed until it's dumping down into it to contain odors. It doesn't have any built-in deodorizers though, so you really will get quite a whiff when you open it up. And I do find that when I didn't empty this on a regular basis, I would get a whiff when it was dumping as well. But it is an exceptionally inviting box. There are no opportunities to be pinched as it never fully closes. It will sense when there's weight on it and stop, though it doesn't have any motion detectors. And it does have a lovely, simple app where it will track cat weights and when they went and how long they were in it. Now, pros for me on this one are how open and inviting it is, and thanks to its very simple design, it's one of the easier automatic boxes to deep clean. That said, I don't actually like the open design. I don't find it as attractive when I walk by. It's just a lot of litter that I don't want to look at. I've been spoiled by the closed drum litter boxes, and I don't like that my cats actually will jump out of this box in different directions, spraying litter all around the box. Now, I'm going to tell you right now that this is my favorite box of all time, so I am biased here. The PetKit Purobot Max, which this box is designed after, was my favorite before this. And all that it has on top of that is a camera that will record my cat using it, and then it'll record the cleaning process and take pictures of the cat's waste. Now, that may sound like a gimmick, but I have one cat with health issues and I have another cat who loves to eat plastic, and I love that when something's going on, I can check the camera footage on this and know how my cats are doing. It's really, really helpful information, and if for any reason you don't want that camera on, you want more privacy, or you want any other setting changed, this box has unbelievable settings. You can fully customize this box. Now, as for safety, it has a motion detector, a weight sensor, and it will recognize when a cat is there thanks to the camera. And on top of that, this box never closes. It actually has a chute inside, and it will spin up and then spin back down to capture any dirty litter on that filter right there, put it into the chute, and then the chute will go down the side. Out this chute here, there's a cover on the dirty litter drawer that keeps smells at bay that will open up, and so it can dump right into the dirty litter drawer. And before I get to the dirty litter drawer, I do want to point out that right here it has a deodorizer that will actually spray deodorizer into the drum itself. And on top of that, the drawer itself also has a deodorizer, so this keeps the drawer smelling fresh too. As for complaints, I don't really have any complaints about this box. I do know that some people get frustrated that some litter does over time collect underneath this drum. So when you do a deep clean, you do need to pop off the drum and clean that out. But that's just something to know. It's not really a big deal. Every once in a while, some of it will get stuck on one of the wheels underneath it and maybe leave some marks. But again, that is a minor concern to me. That's the only thing I can think of that's an issue with this box. It really is the perfect automatic litter box. That said, the perfect box for you is going to depend a lot more on you, your cats, their size, and their personality. And maybe for your cats, especially if they're extra large, they're going to love this homerunPET. It has the largest drum of any automatic litter box I have ever come across. It is exceptionally inviting to your cat to go into this box. It is a bit higher to get up into the opening, and the opening is a little smaller, but it's not really a big deal. It's very easy for a cat to look up into it and then jump in, and it is huge in there. And on top of that, it has the same spin feature as the PetKit Purobot Max Pro, so you can know that it's never going to close on your kitty, and it has motion detection and weight detection. And this box does have the same chute design where it'll shoot down into this drawer, but you may notice it has something extra here. This is a clean litter bin. This box will actually refill itself with clean litter when it empties based off of weight, so you don't have to fill the litter box as often. And on top of having the largest drum of any box I've come across, it also has the largest dirty litter drawer of any box I've come across. And while this box is still in a Kickstarter campaign and there has been mixed information on whether or not it has a deodorizer, I am pretty confident there is some form of deodorization going here. It's got to be some sort of ionizer, because when I open and close this box, it makes a smell and it's very specific, and there are some vents back there. But I have yet to confirm that. This is a very new box. It is still updating the app constantly, and it is impressive. Now, on top of it being extra large with all the safety features you want and the automatic litter refill, it also has some really nice features for cleaning. If you remove this front door, you can manually hold this button and it will spin all the way down. It only does that when you're manually holding the button, as this opening will close all the way. And when you do that, it will dump into this lower drawer. That's a great way to deep clean it. It makes it really easy to save all the clean litter to refill it with it. And on the side, this actually opens all the way up, making it even easier to reach into that extra large drum to give it that deep clean it needs. So if you have an extra large kitty, these are the 3 boxes I recommend you looking at. The only other one I would consider is the PetKit Purobot Max, as it has the same design as the PetKit Purobot Max Pro you're looking at. And I think you will truly love all 3 of these for different reasons. I really hope this video helps you make a decision.